you're having a great day and you're ready for the weekend. I know I'm ready for the weekend. So today we're doing a proper YouTube video. Thursdays with Dr. Lillian. Before I was doing my stuff, collecting them and placing them. I'm still going to do that for my snappers who are following me because they always request all the information that I share there to be in one place where they can always go back to. But today we're starting my skincare series, and we're starting the first series with skin type. So basically every Thursday I'm going to talk about a certain topic about skincare, and I'm going to go into depth with it, and hopefully you guys will benefit from it. So because I'm starting my skincare, the best thing to start with is to start with the skin types. Because a lot of people come to me, and a lot of my patients come to me, and they actually don't know their skin type, and they're using the wrong products. Now, using a wrong product will actually cause you to have side effects and not to benefit from it, so you feel like these products don't work. It's actually, most of the time they do work. The problem is you're not using the right one. So the first thing you need to find out is how to determine your skin type. The best way to determine is actually going to your dermatologist, aka me, in order for you to find out what your skin type is, because getting a professional to evaluate you is the best way. Now, or by a good beautician. If you want to do like a quick check at home, I'll give you some tips to find out how you're going to find out. So basically, I divide the skin types into 6 skin types, which is oily skin, opposite of oily is dry, and then you have the combination skin, you have the normal skin, you have the sensitive skin, and I like to add a 6th category, which is the problematic skin. So how to determine if you're oily? Oily skin types are actually kind of lucky because they don't get wrinkles very quickly. But they do have this shine that bothers most of them, and they feel that they're oily and that they need to wash their faces all the time. And this is not favorable. So how to determine that you're oily? So in the morning, you wake up, and this is for all the skin type, how to determine. So you wake up in the morning and you wash your face, wait 30 minutes, take a paper tissue and place it on your face. Now pat it all over the face, especially on your T-zone, and then take it out. You take it out and you look at it. If you look at it, there's oil drops. If it's a lot of oil drops and all over the face, and especially concentrated in the T-zone area, and that means you have oily skin. Also, if you look closely to your skin, you'll find that the pores are wider in oily skin people than other people, and they actually get wider with time. Now, these people are always prone for blackheads, and they're prone for acne. Because these pores can get blocked by using wrong products, or even just having an acne problem, and they can get acne. So you have to be careful that you always have to use those specific products for your oily skin. Now, the opposite of oily is dry skin. That means they have less production or almost no production of oil, of their oil glands. And these people are prone to get dry, and they get wrinkles very quickly, because they don't have a natural moisturizer moisturizing their skin. How to determine is that when you do the tissue, a paper tissue test, you take it off, you barely see oil drops on the tissue. Usually their skin looks kind of dull, and there's sometimes some flakiness with it. Now, if you have combination skin, usually it's between oily and dry skin, or oily and normal skin. So basically these people, if you do the tissue test, you find that their oil is more concentrated in the T-zone area, and then the other side, either very minute oil spots or no oil spots. And these people, we call them combination skin. And usually the pores are apparent in the T-zone area, and it's less apparent on the sides. Now, the lucky people, and I find them, and I call them the lucky skin types, are the normal skin. These people have actually a balance between oily skin and dry skin. So they actually do have oil glands that produce, and they keep their skin moisturized, but it's not overly producing. And also their pores are not so big and apparent, but they do have openings in their pores. So they are balanced between the two. Now, the 5th type is the sensitive skin type, and these people are very sensitive to chemicals. So they cannot tolerate a lot of chemicals in the products that they use. and they get burning sensations, sometimes they get itchiness, and they get redness if they overuse products with a lot of chemicals. And these people need specific type of skincare, which is usually hypoallergenic, and no perfume and no added too much chemicals. So this is the sensitive type. Now the last type that I like to talk about is the problematic one. The problematic one goes into it anybody who has a skin problem, kind of like acne or rosacea or eczema or psoriasis or any skin problem on their skin, and this usually requires medical attention in order for them to be placed on a specific treatment to deal with that skin type. So this is in a nutshell the different types of skin, and the first episode after this, which is next week, will be about how to take care of oily skin. So please stay tuned, and I hope you benefit from all these lectures. And that's it. Have a great weekend. Bye.